Okay, to create a class in Google Classroom for the first time, you want to be at classroom.google.com. When you're here, you will see all the classes that you already have or that you are already in. So I'm going to click the plus sign to create your class. This is where the students would go to join the class. But you click create class and you can give it a name. I'm just putting example class. And you hit create. Now it's up to you if you want to just have one Google Classroom for all of your students, or if you want to have a separate classroom for each class that you have. When I taught history and geography, I always did a separate class for each one of my classes. So if I taught 3 sections of geography, I had 3 Google Classrooms of geography and so forth. And that was very helpful. But when I started to teach computer science, I just decided to have one Google Classroom for all of my students, which I think it's just because the subject I'm teaching, it works out that way. But you just decide what's best for you. To get the classroom code for your students to join, click on the settings, scroll down. Under general, it says class code. You can click copy. And then from here, you can copy that into like a Google Doc to put on your website, giving them directions, or it might just be good just to have that on your website, like the first thing the kids see when they go there, saying to go to classroom.google.com, hit the plus sign, and then join your classroom. Most students, especially if they're in 7th and 8th grade, know how to join a classroom already. What else? Okay, make sure the kids are logging in with their school account. You can personalize your classroom. It will automatically give you a picture and a theme. You can always upload your own photo or select one of the themes that Google has pre-made for you. If you think you messed up and you want to start over, or you're ready to archive the class, what you can do is go back to classroom.google.com, find the class that you made, click the 3 dots, you can click archive. That will archive the class. To permanently delete it, you just go into all of your archived classes and then click delete.